Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what is considered the best sturdy closet rod on the market, the Supforce Steepless Adjustable Metal Closet Rod. Whether you're organizing a small wardrobe, a large walk-in closet, or even outfitting an RV, this closet rod offers a versatile solution designed to meet a variety of needs. Right off the bat, the standout feature of this closet rod is its steepless adjustment design. Unlike traditional rods that come in fixed sizes or require manual cutting to fit your space, this rod allows you to precisely adjust the length to your exact closet measurements. This means no more worrying about gaps or rods that are too short or too long. The adjustable length ranges from 17 inches all the way up to 84 inches, making it suitable for almost any closet size. In terms of build, the Supforce closet rod is crafted from premium iron metal, giving it both strength and durability. The rod itself has a substantial diameter of 1.3 inches, which contributes to its heavy-duty capability. It can hold up to 66 pounds of clothes without bending or breaking. This makes it perfect for hanging everything from lightweight shirts to heavier coats and jackets. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The rod comes with U-shaped brackets that are made from premium metal as well. These brackets are designed to be wall-mounted with included screws and anchors, ensuring a secure fit. The U-shape allows the rod to slide in easily, and there's a side screw to lock the rod in place, preventing any unwanted sliding or movement once installed. The package includes everything you need for installation: the main adjustable rod, an auxiliary rod for extending length, several extension rods, and the mounting hardware including screws and anchors. This comprehensive kit ensures that you can customize the rod length perfectly while keeping installation hassle-free. Versatility is another major benefit of this product. Beyond closets, the rod can be used as a laundry room hanger, a curtain rod, a shower curtain rod, or even in an RV. Its sleek matte black finish blends well with most interiors, adding both functionality and style to any space. In summary, the Supforce Steepless Adjustable Closet Rod combines sturdy metal construction, a highly adaptable design, and easy installation into one efficient package. It's a reliable solution for anyone looking to upgrade their closet or maximize hanging space in various settings. Whether you're dealing with a compact reach-in closet or a spacious wardrobe, this rod adapts seamlessly to fit your needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.